volcanoes. Ecuador is the land of volcanoes. We have here 84 volcanoes. 4 of them are in activity. That means that they are in a process of eruption. 84 may sound like a lot of volcanoes, but actually, according to the geologists, we have more than 250 volcanoes only in the continental part of it. Because we live very happy and calm, surrounded by active volcanoes, and it is like that. One of the most dangerous and active is the Cotopaxi that we're going to see. Right now is in a process, or in between a process of eruption, but don't worry, nothing is going to happen.
Okay, so we just arrived at a farm. I guess we're gonna have some breakfast, hang out with some cows, you know, the usual farm kid stuff. Good way to start your morning. There it is. You got it. Fresh milk. Take a sip. Take a sip.
Not yet.
I'll eat it.
Obviously, fear is not a factor. Es muy delicioso, ¿sí? Get out of here. Alright, close the video now. Alright, there we go. We're here, we're like enjoying nature with our high-tech cameras. We're just in nature by ourselves with the tour. Just by ourselves. Lost in nature with the tour. This is great. I'm having a good time. No buses. You know, we just walked here. We walked here a long time. It was great. Wow.
45 hours.
We hiked 45 hours.
We call it Lipa Mishki. Mishki means sweet. I don't know why.
Guys, granadine. That looks like fish. Dive right in. Walking through the market. Pretty good. Smells like cilantro, which I love.
Thousands of years ago, apparently it was not an eruption, but it was an explosion that makes it collapse and create this caldera, which is called. And by the rain, basically by the rain was filled with water. There are no sources of water like in the tops of these hills.
Traffic jam. Classic traffic jam. It's rush hour. It's